Hi! In front of me is TCL 403 and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Gbird. Following that, tap on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you will switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!